Hi, my name is Ruth and I'm from South Africa. This year I am the Social Activities Manager for the Young Explorers group. I work for a media company, so I am a social media specialist, but I was a CELTA teacher and also a preschool teacher. My favorite part of this job is that I get to work with many nationalities, which is the most growing experience to just meet new cultures and get to know new nationalities. I just think if you are wanting to progress in your professional field in teaching English as a foreign language and working with different nationalities, it's quite a growing experience, and it's a short period of time, very intense, but the reward and how you see each member of your team grows. So I think the main thing is that it will grow you as a person. One of my best memories was we had finished a night's activity with my Chinese group, and there was a song playing on our stereo. The children had just had so much fun that night, and we took the speaker with us behind us walking up to their house, and you could just see this song would be part of their memories for life. When they hear this song, they will remember that night and the activity that we did. I would just recommend that read your handbook, know what you are getting into, because it does require a lot of stamina. It's not for everyone, but if you take hold of the job and the task at hand, you will essentially be affecting many children, and that is so inspiring. So I would just say, read your handbook and know what the task is at hand.